Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today I got a 1966 SS Chevelle. This one here has a matching number 396. No powered steering on this one. Very clean inside and out. I'm going to be doing a walk around video pointing out any flaws. That way you know what you're buying when you get here. Be sure to check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures. Wheels, tires, parts, and accessories are available. Hit that subscribe button for daily content. You can also get financing and shipping at maplemotors.com. All right, guys, we're getting ready to take off down the road. I appreciate it when you share the videos, so thanks ahead of time. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, guys, see that gate getting unblocked there? If I get back to the lot and somebody's parked out here in the middle, just a random car, I'll let you know. And that's gonna be t-shirt giveaway time. It's something that I started doing on the channel, but you have to put, oh, I saw the car, share the video, and hit that like button. That first comment's gonna get it. We're looking around the inside of this one right now. It's showing 50,000 miles. We'll go ahead and start it up. Got a good sound. We got our brake on here. Light cut off. Gas gauge is coming up. Battery gauge is up as well. Engine temperature's a little bit cold, so we're gonna let it run for a minute. Full pressure working. Let's try our fan. I don't believe the fan's working on this one. May have to have that fixed. Clock's not working. Interior looks awesome. Nice and clean all the way around. Headliner looks great. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think that horn works? Be trying the wipers out before. They weren't. Horn? Horn works on this one, guys. All right, remember, as soon as I pull back in the lot, I'm gonna leave this gate open. We usually tell everybody to park next door with our new Maple Motors parking. And if somebody's parked in the lot, the first person to comment of the color of the vehicle gets the t-shirt. But make sure you share and like. All right, see how this thing drives. All right, getting ready to take off down the road. Let's see if we got some seat belts in this one. It doesn't look like it, not up front at least. It does have rear seat belts. Front seat belts will have to be added to this car. Anything that I see, I will let you know about. Let's take off here. Pull this mat out of my way. I'm not catching it. Clutch is letting out about halfway off the floor. Got to get comfortable, get used to this one. I haven't actually driven it before. So. Speedo's coming up on the dash there. Going pretty straight down the road. Not pulling to the left or right. Steering's nice and tight. We're grinding going into fourth there. Definitely got good pep. Check these brakes out. Stopping nice and smooth. They feel pretty good. Definitely got some good pep. so we got a little bit of grinding going on, going into third and fourth. We're holding a gear right now. Still holding both gears. Just trying to be thorough here, check everything out. Blinkers are popping up on the dash on both sides. Let's check that third again. It is grinding every time I go into third and fourth. Not that time, but second seems to be pretty good. Put down the first here. Not too bad, alright. Third and fourth are grinding, let that be known. I'm gonna pull up in here. We're gonna go ahead and get some outside shots, get some undercarriage shots, and I'm gonna do a walk around video of the outside, inside, and underneath of this car, so be sure to check for that. You can catch that at the last 30 seconds of this video. All right, guys, let's do it. Okay, getting ready to take off. Everything seems pretty good on this one. I went ahead and did the walk around video. We had it running for a while. We're gonna head on back to the lot now. It actually got a warning on my phone, said rain near. Gave me about 10 minutes to get back, so we're heading back now. Don't want to get caught in the rain. So we still got that issue with third and fourth gear on this one, where it grinds going in. All right, let's go ahead and pull out. Third. Here's fourth. And it's still holding the gear. I mean, just grinding going in, so let that be known. it though. It runs and drives awesome. Definitely a lower geared car. I'd say 65 on the highway tops, just to be good to the motor. But it'll get there fast, that's for sure. Speed bumps halfway down this road. Kind of give you an idea on suspension. Ooh. Speed bumps right here. Now that second gear pull right there, it started spinning the tires a little bit. All right, if somebody pulled in the lot, I'm ready to give away a t-shirt. I hope somebody's pulled in there. Still grinding on that one. Nobody's there. Let's go on down here and see. We'll give it one more chance. I don't like the third and fourth are grinding like that, but that's why we do these videos. We want you to know what kind of cars you're buying. Let you know everything about them here. We're coming through Brian's Motorsports parking lot. These guys right here, they do some awesome work. Interior, exterior, rims, tires. They've got it going on. Check them out, briansmotorsports.com. He goes out and does all the SEMA shows. I mean, look at that Tacoma there. He built that. Got the Forgiatos on it. He's got an Escalade, the Forgiatos. He also does oversized, normal rims. I mean, pretty much anything you want. Interiors, consoles. He's just the guy to go to. And then he's just walking distance from Maple Motors. Literally right down the road. There's still nobody pulled inside the lot. I promise one of these days I'm going to be giving away a t-shirt for that. I'm going to try to scheme up some new ideas for giving away some gear. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks again, guys. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos almost every single day. It's all American classic muscle cars out here. You can see all of our inventory at maplemotors.com. Be sure to check that out. I have financing, I have shipping available. And of course, there's tons of videos here on YouTube that you can watch, see all the previous inventory. Once it sells, I mark it sold. Give us a call, 615-822-4444. And thanks again, guys. I appreciate y'all watching. You want to see that walk around video of this one? It should be popping up. It should be on your screen. Go ahead, click that, check it out. Have a good day.